Friends, welcome back to Simulation Part 2. Here, you will watch the actual simulation activity.
I was saying maybe we can call it sticky challenge. You have sticks. It's a.
See, this might
The
come
brand
out
should
very
be
good.
something,
Yeah,
should
that
be
could
something
be appealing to people,
appealing
not
to
just a
people.
construction, yet another construction firm.
Right,
So
right.
we built the tallest dreams, something like that, associating with dreams, because it can either happen or
Call it as dreamer's world or something like that.
dream tall. Because objective is all to build the
Dream
tallest.
tall,
right?
yeah, it's not bad.
Let's put the D on the logo.
Can we have a couple of
DT,
dream tall?
yeah, DT, some
DT.
variations of DT.
DT. T.
So then I think I can use my skill of is T
The D.
and D, right?
And they become
Tallest dream. Simple. You
tallest
want to make
D.
it
But this doesn't give any impression of height, right? So I'm just thinking if we have to give the tall factor, how do we do that?
Or maybe put a tower below and this comes on the top.
Maybe we can draw something like a pyramid and then a TD sitting on top
Sure,
of
sure,
it,
sure.
Why
something
don't you
like that.
suggest?
Right? I mean, I'm very bad at drawing.
That's okay, but just
maybe
get a-
something like this, like a thing with, whatever, support, and then whatever you have drawn sitting on top of it. TD,
like
whatever you draw your
and
TD,
then
that looked good. But something like a,
maybe a Eiffel Tower, like something.
yeah, a
because it's the
support
tallest,
holding our TD on top.
I was thinking like actually putting the TD below and then the tower on top of it actually makes more sense. Looks like, on the foundation of this brand, we are building.
Yeah,
Towers.
either way.
Yeah.
It's not-
This should be okay.
Yeah.
And we have 7 minutes.
Sure, so you are good at drawing?
Your circle is looking a circle, so I'm good with it. I'm fine with you doing that.
Yes, circle is looking better than my circle.
No, but we need to make the brand over here, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll
So first, let's
So how big it should be?
Oh, you're making the string for the circle?
string for the
Ah,
circle.
okay.
But-
Till that big enough is good enough, then we make it. Take a pencil to make a circle, Just take a pencil like this, maybe. Yeah,
Like a compass.
right, of course. Just if
I think even freehand should be okay. You don't have to worry about this. You seem pretty
you
good
look
at
good
it.
at this.
Good luck.
You want to start with a pencil? Best way. To
Then
be
we have to
safe.
erase. We don't
don't
have
have eraser
rubber.
anyway,
So
so-
what we'll do,
Pencil is same as pen. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
right?
And then keep some space to write dream tall on.
Got
The D over there.
Right. Let's put.
Maybe use a different color pen.
Here. We can color. We'll color it.
Yeah, we can do that together.
Yeah.
Now that you've given us the
Yes.
The framework.
yeah, to keep our pictures together.
The red for T and D and the
D and D and
will highlight.
The T and D in red.
let me do that. I just fill it up. Should I fill it up or should I just put lines?
Line should be okay because we
Yeah.
have hardly like
Make
another
any
4
Filling
minutes.
up will be a little
Should
harder.
you make any frame like the
Yeah, you
iPad?
can. You
Okay.
can. Parallel, you can.
Spoil it?
Same way. You can do it. Like, difficult one.
Think about the top. Should we put any greenery around it? Too much.
Right.
The scaffolding, you want to make this in black in between.
It's okay. You can finish this.
Okay, finish the tip with black if you like. Yeah.
Similar structure.
You have half minute left.
Inside. Big idea. The big circle.
Take the green. The green on top.
Maybe a dream taller.
You want to write that dream?
Tall
Dream.
dreamers.
Tall dreamers.
Tall dreamers enterprise. Yeah, we'll put on the side.
Ink. Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Put it on there. Anything to hold?
You can use this.
The tape is different. Should I put the marshmallow here itself and break the record?
Scissor it.
Yeah.
That's okay. Now start task 2, which is construction of tallest freestanding structure.
Can you get the marshmallow? We have to really see how to balance it. That's where the challenge comes in. So, if you really to bring it up, we need to just make sure that we keep supporting this.
So you have to basically give a base support
Create a
first.
tower around it.
Yeah. So
So first of all, let's plan out.
let's
Some-
draw it
some-
on a piece of paper what it should look like.
Something like triangle.
I would suggest that once we put the sticks around there, we also put a scaffolding here to sort of tie it.
So you're going to place it and then erect it.
Yep.
No, but this is like basically the table is giving you this support already.
Right.
So you need to just make
Yeah,
them
start
stand
from the
like
structures.
this.
So maybe what we'll have to do is make it
Okay.
like this.
Make it.
Yeah. So
Tripod?
third, give me a third one,
Tripod.
like something like this, right?
Tripod?
Yes?
Right?
Like this.
And then we need to put
No,
some
but
supports around
Support.
Support
This
के
all
लिए ना
needs to
we can
split.
use the tape and let's stick these thingies here. What do you think?
here. Tape, I believe we can.
1 meter tape.
Okay, only one.
So we can keep breaking it and then because we have to give this bottom support first, right? So let's break वो tape का छोटा pieces and
How about we
we need a fourth
we
actually.
just put the tape around here, which will hold it tight.
नहीं लेकिन नीचे से it will slide ना.
तो ये यहाँ पे
We need ऐसे चिपकाना so that this doesn't drag, right?
So
You know what you do? Break it up, ball it up and put it here so that this doesn't drag.
Let me try.
No, before even cutting it out.
Wait.
So let's work on the.
Let's-
Okay, can you
Think
guys hold
about
this? I'll tell you
it.
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Just give me that
La.
tape, please.
Yeah, first let's sketch it out as to. So these
Because
three
we
are
have
going to
limited
come.
tape.
Yeah,
What more
so
is going to come?
we will put 4 here. Let's because you have to give the best support niche, right? A square,
And then you construct another 4.
and we'll have to put 1 here also, beach mein. Once we
Okay.
have finished
So
this.
I
So let's say
three is
we
okay,
make a
and
pyramid
then
out
one-
of it. Let's
Yeah.
say we have made a
Three
pyramid
and
out
one.
of it. Then
Yeah.
what is that we do? We do alternate pyramids like this?
No, then we just hold
Then
this
we
one on
will
top of it.
put a structure,
Over here.
keep taping,
Like this.
and keep
So we don't need to
building
use
it
all
over
the
that.
20 is what you mean to say?
No, we will put as many as it can go up to,
one pyramid and
Yeah.
but
then
it will not go more than 2 levels in my
it
opinion.
will not go
Yeah.
more than two.
even if you make two sticks together,
Then what we can do
together,
is that if we tie two sticks like this, we can make a bigger pyramid.
but it will sag out, right?
Yeah.
It will
It will
sag
have a
out,
tendency to sag. That challenge.
right?
So half.
So what I would do is, I would make a tripod stand or a 4-point stand, and I'll make another 4-point stand, and then connect them with this, like 3 4-point stand,
Mhm.
right? 3 like this,
Mm.
or 4 like this, whatever it is.
Mm.
Here and here,
Mm.
okay?
Mm.
So that comes around 3 into 3,
Mm.
which is like, 9.
Nine.
And then you have a sufficient base to start constructing on top of it.
I think the time.
But then
will get
9
Okay,
and then.
so you just give me the tape, please. Let's
But
at least
we-
see if how this thing will hold to start with.
Yes.
I think let's start with 3 ones. Even
Ah.
if we,
Let's build
make it
first.
within time, we'll
Let's,
just
anyway, all our
at least we'll
ideas
need
are-
one for sure, right?
Ah.
Let's start building one.
Let's take a very small piece because we have less. No, this is enough.
Yeah.
And what I was saying is you stick niche and kind of bunch it up. So this thing will go in. Hold 1 second. Can you remove this tape?
Can
Yeah, put
You
it
can
inside there. And this has to sit here.
दो बैठेगा तो वो swing एक पे
अभी ये ऐसा हो गया and इसको एक थोड़ा सा
so let's parallelly work on that first time.
we can build more, na? But
I think how much is the time left?
why don't we bunch up a few? Because we'll anyway never use all these sticks.
No, but the bottom has to be strong enough to support it, right?
Niche strong.
If it doesn't swing, no, the bottom can make it better. Tightening it and making it strong. Because the swing will cause the imbalance.
This one second. Hold on. Okay, so नीचे से थोड़ा start करते हैं. We'll start from here. Hold on.
I would suggest we still
Just
hit the
leave it
floor
and see
that
whether
you
it
had.
is standing.
I suggest we go and hit the table and the pieces.
Okay. ठीक है.
हाँ,
More.
इतना.
Let's see how much.
हाँ, इससे हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे एक लगा.
तो थोड़ा थोड़ा ओवरलैप करके करना पड़ेगा. This where I'm holding.
Friends, as this video has become too long, we'll stop here. Please watch the next video in the series titled Simulation Part 3 for rest of the demonstration and conclusion.